Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know, if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down. Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground. And I really wanna know, if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down.
For the first time in ages, I wake up and don't hate it. I guess I found some peace. Through the day to the evening, without shouting and screaming, something new to me. Alone without being
Bom dia, meus amores. Estou iniciando mais um vídeo aqui pro nosso canal. Daqui a pouquinho a Cátia tá chegando pra poder me ajudar, dar uma bela de uma faxina aqui na casa. E hoje eu quero gravar tudo pra vocês. Gente, eu vou cortar um mato ali, peguei até a faca. É o mato da casa da vizinha. Tá entrando dentro da minha casa, vocês acreditam? Olha só a situação. Esse mato é lá do quintal dela. Ele cresceu tanto que tá entrando dentro da garagem. Toda vez que eu fecho o portão, a metade do mato fica dentro de casa. É, minha gente, o pobre não tem um minuto de paz. Quando não é uma coisa, é outra. Fui colocar uma água aqui, ó, pra fazer o café. O gás acabou. Tô aqui ligando, ó. E nada. Senhor da glória.
You were my best friend. Didn't care about the rules, good on the weekends. I'll be in fools, drifting to deep space. So brave and so stupid, just like the movies. I was gonna stay in the fight with you, just thinking we would do this until we couldn't do it. Each and every high, every night with you. You and me so clueless. We were just broken, shattered, singing along to nothing matters. Stray around like nighttime rumors. We were in too deep. In your worn out sweater, only one of you, only one of me. There's a million of those who won't let us be, but they're not gonna see me bleed. Cause baby, I got you. I've been beaten to the ground, dragged across the dirt. I've been scared to live cause some people never learn, but they're not gonna watch me burn. Cause baby, I got you. It's a new beginnings and a better life. It's the dancing underneath the disco lights. They can try but they can never take me down. Ooh, cause I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid to love, not afraid to love you. I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid to love, not afraid to love you. They always bring all the lonely, but with you here nothing can scare me. I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid to love, not afraid to love you. I will tell them what I'm feeling forevermore. I don't care about the feelings, not anymore. So let's show them that love is pure, no matter who it's for. It's a new beginnings and a better life. It's the dancing underneath the disco light. They can try but they can never take. I wanna be a weekend lover. Yeah, I'ma be the best damn lover you got. I wanna mess up your covers. I don't wanna meet your mother. Never ever ask me how I've been. Remember why you have my number. I'm the best thing that has ever happened to you. Here's your time to shine. Now show me what you can do. The way my hands feel on your body, the way we're dancing in the dark. With every move I make, you're falling. The way my lips feel on your body, the way we're moving in the dark. With every breath we take, you're falling. I ain't got no time for romance, but baby, I don't want to lead you on. Not looking for something steady, not ready for that. I'm the best thing that has ever happened to you. Here's your time to shine. Now show me what you can do. Make a move. The way my hands feel on your body, the way we're dancing in the dark. With every move I make, you're falling. The way my lips feel on your body, the way we're moving in the dark. With every breath we take, you're falling. Every breath that we're taking, with every step you're falling in love. With every move that you know that I'ma keep it cool. With you I feel like breaking rules. On the edge, looking out with no parachute. You know I'm dreaming about us two, playing around without a clue. On the edge, leaning out. With us it's all or nothing. Ooh, but guess I need more of you. With us it's all or nothing, but guess I need more of you. You say it during night, but in the morning you just leave. With us it's all or nothing. Ooh, but guess I need more of you. With us it's all or nothing, but guess I need more of you. You say it during night, but in the morning you just leave. You know it still hurts a little bit, but not that much. Cause if you want somebody else, who am I to judge? I've been thinking about you all the time, but that's alright. I'm starting to get used to it, think I'll survive. I met you in the summer, when you left it was cold. Said we loved one another, guess that we're wrong. I met you in the summer, our love was out you, and I couldn't really make you stay, so what to do? I'm just staring at my walls and talking to myself. Now and then I'll try to laugh, but I'll cry a bit as well. I was never any good at being away from you. I met you in the summer, when you left it was cold. Said we loved one another, guess that we were wrong. I met you in the summer, our love was out of control. I've been going crazy without you for so long. I met you in the Can we work it out? Only time will tell. It's gonna take a lot, 'cause we've been through hell. I can't be without you. I've tried and I failed. So can we work it out? Only time will tell. Why do you keep telling me nothing? But I know all your flaws, at least they say something. Still I try to connect with you through your eyes. Your eyes. What is on your mind? I think it's time to speak. I have crossed the line, but no, not just me. I'm feeling something that goes beyond us. Can we work it out? Only time will tell.
I bet you think that I should calm down, and that I'm overthinking everything about you, and that we're good the way we are. But I don't know that much about you, what things you like and what you don't. It's not that long since I met you for the first time. You know we should work it out. You know we should work it out. Before I'm too invested, I should probably ask you all my questions, get to know you better. Like, can you be trusted? Will you take me for granted? And will you let me down? I know I'm feeling something for you. The way you look, the way you laugh, and how you move. It kinda makes me go crazy. But we should take it slow, work things out so you don't let me go. When I come real close, I don't wanna get.
It's silent now, we don't say a word. We're just looking at each other. Tears in our eyes from the words we said. Yeah, it kinda broke my heart. Loving you is not so goddamn easy as you think. I'm trying my best to hold on, but I feel myself giving. You know that we shouldn't keep it up like this. We hurt each other's feelings on and on. I don't wanna change who you are. The things you say is always one step too far. But I know that I've played my part. I'm hurting you as well. I guess that we should say we're sorry. Say we're sorry. Say we're sorry.
Enquanto mamãe lavava o portão, a Manu tava aqui, gente, ó, se arrumando. Já tomou banho, colocou esse vestido lindo que chegou da Shein. E já tá aqui quase pronta pra poder ir pra escola. Já pintou os cabelos também? Escovou os dentes? Tá toda linda, minha gente. Eu já tenho uma moça dentro de casa. A moça Emanuele Vitória.
Gente, eu ajudo minha mamãe.
É, ela ajuda a mamãe nas coisas. Vai passar desodorante, vai?
Quando a mamãe ela não pede pra mim varrer a casa, mesmo assim eu varro.
É, eu tenho que levar o Samuca pra cortar o cabelo. Logo, logo, mamãe vai marcar um horário no salão pra ele.
Ela já falou isso com um milhão de vezes.
For the first time in ages, I wake up and don't hate it. I guess I found some peace. Through the day to the evening, without shouting and screaming, something new to me. Alone without being lonely, getting back to the old me. It's kinda nice to feel free. I thought this was over, thought I could control it. But if I speak the truth, I ain't over you. I was feeling sober until you.
Agora eu vou mostrar pra vocês aqui os recebidos que acabou de chegar da Shopee. Eu não sei o que é ainda. Eu que comprei, mas eu não me lembro. Esse aqui é bem fofinho. Esse também. Eu vou abrir aqui pra gente poder ver.
I'm waiting at the doorstep, I'm finally home. I've been gone for too long. Standing here a while.
Prontinho, gente. Chegou aqui pra mim 2 almofadas. Eu comprei essas almofadas para as crianças dormir. Mas como eu já comprei 2 travesseiros, eu vou deixar essas almofadas aqui, ó, pra colocar na minha cama, servir de decoração pra poder fazer cama posta. Aí eu peguei 2. Gostei dela, ó. É bem fofinha. Ainda bem que capa de almofada eu tenho bastante aqui em casa. Eu comprei também uma toalha de banho. Olha só a qualidade dessa toalha. Muito boa, viu, gente? Olha isso. Super recomendo pra vocês. Inclusive, eu vou deixar o link dessa toalha e das almofadas aqui nos comentários fixados pra quem quiser comprar também, viu? A qualidade dessa toalha é perfeita. Mostrar pra vocês aqui também o almocinho que eu acabei de fazer. É bem simples, porque nós tá na correria. Aqui eu fiz um arroz bem fresquinho. Fervi o feijão e fritei uma linguicinha. Falta bater um suco. Eu acho que eu vou fazer uma limonada.
Every time that my mind slip, I just see my past life. Having dreams in a dream, I wonder why I carried on with the things that made you lose your mind. There's no way I can undo what I've done. Can we be strangers again? Start fresh like a morning. What's so bad about that? So why won't you follow? Why won't you follow me home? I know I can't make you mine. Yes, I ran out of time. There's no hope for me. I fell down the bottom, so I fell down way deep. But if I can't have the real you, then let me make a 3D print of you.
Hold up just a minute. Been looking for some help just to find myself. Yeah. Been losing my focus like 1,000 times before. Can't take this anymore. 'Cause I've been looking for something to change thoughts into motion. Been waiting way too long. Yeah, waiting just for somebody to love and to surround me and to handle my emotions. I was out waiting for something, and if I close my eyes, it's all been a waste of time. I was out driving every mile, and now if I rewind, it's all been a waste of time. It's all been a waste. How could somebody be with someone else if you can't be by yourself? Yeah. I got my problems. Lately I've been fading out, holding out.
Meus amores, terminei de almoçar. Agora eu vou tomar aqui, ó, a minha vitamina para cabelo, pele e unha, dessa marca aqui, Gomé. E vou tomar essa daqui, que é para cabelo. Essa já é uma vitamina manipulada. Eu mandei manipular aqui na farmácia da minha cidade. Essa é uma cápsula por dia. Na verdade, pode tomar duas também, só que eu tomo só uma. E essa daqui é duas. Uma antes do almoço e uma antes da janta. Eu vou tomar essa daqui agora. Agora eu vou comer essa daqui. Essa é a famosinha número 1 do Brasil. Gente, ela é formato de coração e o sabor dela é maravilhoso. Tem gosto de bala de maçã. Eu já falei com vocês, né? É muito boa.